Okay, now we're going to add our laundry washing machine. Okay, so top load, and then we have a dryer here. So we're going to create a copy of this circle so that we can use it for our dryer. And then for this one, we're going to create an attribute, and we're going to make it, of course, visible. So this will be the so washer. Now we would like to use W for the walls. So for washer dryer, we're just going to say uh, another letter, maybe washer, uh, maybe R. Yeah, I like R. So R1, okay, for washer. Okay, so what's the prompt? So this will be what washer number. Okay, you don't have to be, complete in your grammar. It will be nice. So you can say what is the washer number. Okay, and then the default will be R1, and again middle center, and the height will be 2 millimeters. Annotative. Okay, we're good. Click OK. We're in the new part tag, and we're going to place it at the center of the circle, and it will be middle centered. Next, we want to define more attributes. This time they are going to be invisible. We want the name of the washer. Okay, so name, and the prompt is what is the name. Okay, so you can say what is the brand of the washer. Okay, and then the default, let's say, is uh, my phone is Samsung. So again, I'm not connected to these companies, so I'm just going to say Samni. Okay, so it's a combination of Samsung and Sony, maybe. Okay, and then this one will say align below previous attribute definition. Okay, and then I think that's it. So click OK, and then we're going to put in another tag, so space bar to repeat the last command. So we have the tag number, and then the name, and then now we'll do the material. Okay, so material. Okay, what material? Okay, again, you can be complete with your sentence or question or prompt, and then we can say for this one, we'll just use, uh, I don't know, carbon fiber, maybe. So we'll say carbon fiber. I may be wrong, but this is just a demonstration, okay? So align below previous attribute. Click OK. Okay, then we'll add another attribute for the size. Okay, now for this one, I'd like to measure it. Okay, so DI, so from midpoint to perpendicular, so that's 580 by from midpoint to perpendicular 580. So 580 by 580. So at depth, so we'll say size prompt, what, oops, let's say, what is the size of the washer? Okay, so you can be, you can complete your sentence, and then we'll say 580 by 580. Again, a line, invisible. Click OK. And then we have the type. So what type? So at there, say type. Oops. Type, and then what type? Oops. What type? And we'll say washer. Okay, align, and click OK. Now we have already created the washer as a block. Now we're just going to make the tag also a block. So to do that, we'll type B block. So this will be our washer tag. And the insertion point is the center of the circle. We're going to select our object. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Enter. And we're going to convert this into a block, make it annotative, and click OK. Those are the values. We can use that tag and change the value. Okay, and we're going to do that for the dryer, but maybe not, because I think it's best if we use it for another washer type, okay, or brand. So we'll not do that. We'll click OK. There you go. And then we're now going to move this. Now this one we'll put at the corner. So we'll say apparent intersection, which is, oops, it's not doing it for me. There you go. Click. I got the apparent intersection, and then I'm going to move it to my laundry area right there at the gypsum. Okay, I think we have a nice space here for our dryer, and the pipeline can go here. So that's good. And that's it for our washer. Next, we'll do our dryer.